The Tilt 5 system redefines interactive entertainment by merging augmented reality with tabletop gaming, offering a captivating experience like never before. Designed for both casual players and seasoned gamers, the system enables users to immerse themselves in 3D holograms projected onto a specially designed surface, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds. The Tilt 5 includes a set of AR glasses, a custom game board, and a collection of compatible games, making it a complete package for anyone looking to elevate their gaming sessions. From sunrise runs to late-night check-ins, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 keeps pace with every beat of your day. Crafted with a sleek 9.9mm ultra-slim profile and weighing just 0.91 ounces, this aluminum alloy smartwatch blends modern minimalism with next-gen tech. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED display delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness, a crisp 347 ppi resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. The Zero Mark II redefines versatility in everyday carry tools. With its sleek and compact design, this innovative pen packs an impressive array of features into a form no larger than a credit card. Crafted from 54 meticulously engineered parts, it transforms into a fully functional writing instrument, making it the perfect blend of portability and utility. This cutting-edge pen is more than just a tool. It's a testament to precision engineering. When collapsed, it effortlessly slides into your pocket or wallet, ready for easy access whenever needed. The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the AirVot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. Revolve Coin Storage offers a sleek and innovative way to manage your coin collection. With the ability to hold between 250 and 350 coins, it is designed to efficiently organize your change, keeping it neat and accessible. The magnetized floating lid eliminates the hassle of traditional coin storage. Simply flick the lid and it opens effortlessly, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. This unique mechanism adds a touch of fun to functionality, ensuring you can access your coins with ease. Experience a whole new level of flying with the DJI amzn.to 2, where the sky is no longer the limit. This advanced drone offers an immersive experience, letting you feel as though you're in the cockpit, with real-time visual feedback directly through your goggles. The thrill of flight is paired with the freedom of effortless control. No need for complex buttons, simply move your hand to guide the drone, providing a seamless and intuitive experience that even beginners will enjoy. Step into a world where sleep isn't just rest, it's power. Pod 4 Ultra transforms your nights with precision temperature control, clinical-grade tracking, and sleep-boosting intelligence. This isn't a mattress upgrade, it's a shift in how recovery happens. Pod 4 Ultra dives 20 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature or climbs to soothing heat, adapting instantly to your needs. Dual zones let you and your partner create separate climates, no compromises. Packed with innovative features, the Hato Flashlight Duo is designed to provide exceptional performance in various conditions. This versatile tool combines powerful illumination with multifunctional elements, making it an essential companion for outdoor activities and emergency situations. Equipped with a dual light source, it offers a focused beam for clear visibility, while the colorful ambient light adds an extra layer of versatility for different environments. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. The Wolfgang 2.0 Titanium Keychain, Lantern and Pen and Screwdriver is a versatile tool designed to meet everyday needs with precision and style. This multifunctional device seamlessly combines a powerful lantern, a functional pen, and a magnetic bit driver in one sleek titanium body. Weighing just a few ounces, it's an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone who requires reliability in a compact form. Elevate your mobile workstation with a razor-thin, featherlight monitor system that transforms any laptop into a multitasking powerhouse. Weighing just 1.1 pounds and measuring only 4.8 millimeters thick, this 14-inch 2K monitor delivers sharp clarity with 100% sRGB color accuracy, ideal for designers, coders, analysts, and on-the-go creatives. With 5 flexible display modes, it seamlessly adapts to dual or triple screen configurations, giving you the freedom to expand your workflow wherever you are. In a world increasingly reliant on private, high-capacity data storage, one machine rises to meet the demand for speed, security, and full control. Designed for power users, creative professionals, and tech-savvy households, this fully customizable home cloud storage unit brings enterprise-grade performance right into your workspace. Equipped with a Linux operating system and powered by either Intel or AMD CPUs, it's built for versatility and heavy lifting. Step onto precision with LeFou, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. Feel the freedom of movement and immerse yourself in pure sound with Huawei FreeArc, meticulously shaped for a secure and airy fit. Crafted with a soft S-curve ear hook, it offers open ear comfort without sacrificing stability, keeping you cool even through intense workouts thanks to its sweat-absorbent design. The optimal 140-degree triangular support ensures they stay firmly anchored, while the lightweight S-curve reduces tragus pressure for a stable, ergonomic fit. Grating has finally caught up with convenience. With a single touch, this handheld cheese grater redefines how you prep. Engineered for quick access and cleanup, this innovative tool eliminates the need for pre-washing and fits easily into your fridge after use. Whether you're layering Parmesan over pasta or shredding cheddar for tacos, it delivers fine, uniform results straight from your hand. No countertop mess, no wasted time. The grater's ergonomic grip and compact body give you total control over every motion. No more awkward fits or cramped corners. Petlux 5.3 brings true comfort and space to your cat's daily routine. Built for larger breeds and multi-cat households, it redefines what a litter box should be. The days of scooping, scrubbing, and deodorizing are over. This drum-based system offers a massive 100 liters of space with an 18.9-inch inner diameter, ideal for cats over 30 pounds. Mornings feel richer when your kitchen holds a tool that treats each slice of bread like a work of art. Designed with groundbreaking innovation, the Balmuda. The Toaster Pro elevates toasting into an experience of flavor and texture. Instead of using dry heat alone, it begins with a delicate pour of 5 cubic centimeters of water. This water transforms into steam, wrapping your bread in a gentle mist that protects moisture inside while creating a beautifully crisp exterior. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The Jisu Life Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute. The Samsung Bot Care and Bot Handy represent a leap in home assistance technology, with innovative features designed to make everyday tasks more efficient. Bot Handy stands out with its extendable gripper arm, allowing it to perform tasks like setting the table, loading the dishwasher, or even pouring drinks. Equipped with cameras on both its head and arm, it uses advanced AI to recognize various objects, from large items to small, and assess their shape, size, and weight. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. The Reluma footrest is designed to provide a refreshing and supportive experience for your legs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. With its lightweight, compact build, it is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting and needs an easy way to alleviate pressure on their legs and feet. The footrest features a durable, ergonomic design that ensures comfort and relaxation with just the right amount of support. Its portability makes it ideal for travelers, while the soft yet firm cushioning helps to improve circulation and reduce fatigue, providing instant relief. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the GameSir X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with GameSir Hall effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. Slide your finger into a new era of control. amzn puts the power of precision at your fingertips. Whether you're scrolling through presentations or editing high-resolution video, this wearable mouse redefines convenience. amzn learns your habits through machine learning, adapting with each gesture to provide smoother, faster navigation. Unlike bulky remotes or traditional mice, amzn wraps around your finger for true portability. Step out of the steam and into something better, where every scrub reinvents your skin. The Body Scrubber 2.0 isn't just another shower tool, it's a full-body upgrade. Infused with natural charcoal and ground walnut shell, it delivers exfoliation that reaches deep, restoring clarity and smoothness without a single synthetic ingredient. Biodegradable by design, it's crafted from 100% natural materials that break down gently with time, never harming the planet. Sculpt your strength without the boundaries of a gym. The Unitree Pump Max brings studio-level resistance training into your living room, your backyard, or wherever your day takes you. No bulky racks or dumbbells, just smart engineering packed into a sleek, portable device weighing under 2.4 pounds. The Pump Max features a built-in motor that adjusts resistance up to 44 pounds with precision, offering concentric and eccentric control so every rep counts. Anchor it to doors, furniture, or even your foot. It adapts to your environment effortlessly. Built for rugged terrain and refined taste, the Z-Lounger Ultra Tough Air Seat raises the standard for portable seating. Whether you're posted up riverside, lounging at camp, or tailgating in the lot, this seat fuses field-ready toughness with an ergonomic profile that mirrors high-end indoor furniture. The advanced drop-stitched construction provides rigid support while maintaining an inflatable design, delivering 17 inches of elevated seating that doesn't sag, bend, or buckle. The Apex Maker X1 industrial high-speed 16-inch 8K LCD 3D printer is designed for professionals who demand precision and efficiency in their 3D printing projects. With a massive 16-inch 8K LCD display, this printer offers incredible clarity and detail, making it ideal for creating large, high-resolution models.